50 grams of almonds, 5 to 6 red chilies, 1 tablespoon cloves, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon black pepper. Dry roast the ingredients. Once it cools, grind it to powder. Half cup of ghee, 3 chopped onions, now fry it till it's golden brown. For marination of 1 kilogram chicken, half cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Half cup of milk, mix all the ingredients well. Rest the chicken for 15 minutes. Add the marinated chicken in the same ghee in which the onions were cooked. Add the powdered masala. Half cup of yogurt, half cup of milk, mix and allow it to cook. Once the chicken is cooked, add the fried onions. Add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. 3 green chilies. One teaspoon dry fenugreek leaves. Cover and cook it on low flame. The yummy chicken Mughlai is now ready to be served with chapatis. Enjoy your meal. Hope you liked this recipe. It is rightly said food tastes better when you eat with your family. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for post notifications. Stay safe, eat healthy, see you in the next video. Goodbye.